Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is May 11th, Saturday, the day before Mother's Day, and we've got, I shouldn't show you that side, it's got my address on it. We have an Ipsy bag, my regular Ipsy bag for the month of May. I do have my Glam Bag Plus, but I'll probably be doing that unboxing tomorrow. So yeah, I did open it. I already know what's in it, whatever. So I have a brush outside the bag from Shade and it says 22E Shade and Blend. It's from Farah brushes, the F-A-R-A-H. It's a double-sided brush. I'm very excited for this. I needed a new eyeshadow brush and I like that it's dual-ended. That's gonna be awesome. Getting new brushes is nice because then I don't have to try to clean my old ones. The bag this month is super pretty and sparkly. It's kind of like a rose goldy tone, but with like really rainbowy sparkles. It is very cute, very cute. Also, just saying, Dunkin' Donuts right now has coffee that is banana split flavored, and it's delicious. You guys should go get it. Back to the Ipsy bag. So yeah, and then it does just have like the little Ipsy logo there, and a little kind of tassel thing. Sorry, my nose is kind of stuffy. Okay, in the bag, first thing I pull out is the little Ipsy book that talks about all the stuff that I got inside, and then it says, May 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag, keep your head in the clouds and walk barefoot in the grass. Believe in the power of lipstick, but know that your inner glow comes from within. And then some more stuff that I don't want to read. Don't give up on your daydreams. Glam Bag Plus is finally here. So they do have the Glam Bag Plus open for people to apply to or sign up for. I do have it, like I said, already, but if you're interested, definitely go to the Ipsy website. The regular Glam Bag is, I believe, $9.99 a month plus tax. The Glam Bag Plus is like $25 a month plus tax, or $24.99. So yeah. Next in here, I do have this. Comes in a little bubble wrap container or package, and it's so cute, like the pink color, and it has a little flower on it. I can't open it though. Okay, there we go. Struggling. Oh, and it's even like sealed. Man, this thing is like for real. So this is an eyeshadow, I believe. It says blossco.com. I think the brand is Blossom. It's cute. It's a little pink. The shade is Dusty Miller. Let's see if I can get into this and just show you. I'm not going to swatch it because I think I'm going to give this to my sister, depending on what the color looks like. Not that she would care if I swatched it, but, you know. Ooh, so that's actually like really pretty. It's kind of like a gray purpley, but sparkly. Like slate gray. I don't know. I might not give that to her. I might swatch it anyways. Let's see. I'll just swatch from right here and you could definitely go darker on that. It kind of comes off as like that like purpley gray kind of color, definitely. There's not a crazy amount of sparkle, which is actually nice. It's very soft. And then on my finger, oh god, I don't know if you can really see that, but there's definitely sparkle in there. Yeah, that was probably a terrible place to swatch that, but you know, whatever, we're just going with it. And then we're just gonna use the bubble wrap to clean off my finger. Alright, so my sister won't care if I swatch that. I got a Lord & Berry brand lip pencil. Crayon lipstick in shade number 3408, Here and Now. That's the back end of it, and then there's that. So pretty. It's kind of like almost like an orangey red, kind of. There was two options. I think that I wanted the other option more because it was more of like a dark red. But I will definitely try this out. I don't typically use a lot of lip liner, lip pencils, but it never hurts to try. Next, I have a Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. It says cruelty-free no matter what. So there's the package, and then let's see what this looks like inside. Maybe. I feel like since I've been getting the glam bags, people have started to package their products way better so that they don't roll around and get smashed up. Oh, so I didn't even show you guys. This is the little package. It's a cute little white square. Okay, my shade is Prima Donna. It says like right above that. At least I think that's the shade. How do you open this? Oh God, there we go. Oh, and it has a little mirror in there. And then that is the shade. Really pretty. Kind of like a pinky, but like a very natural pink. So I'll definitely try that out. I honestly don't use a lot of blush. I typically just put bronzer on when I do my full face, but I will definitely try it. Yeah. And then the last thing I have in my bag is Pixi Skin Treats from Pixi by Petra. It's the H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. So really cute little green and blue packaging. I love the Pixi packaging. I just think it looks so darling. And then just information on the back. It's a pretty good size. It feels like the product kind of starts like here down, so pretty good amount in there. If it's open, I will smell it. It is not. It has a little seal, which is nice. It always just kind of is comforting to me when I get stuff that has seals on it. So yeah, that was my glam bag this month. Nothing too crazy, nothing too terrible. I'm definitely excited about the brush and the H2O skin drink. I couldn't think of what it was. A good hydrator, that's always nice. The other things I'll probably kind of try out, and if I'm not too fond of them, probably just give them to my sister. But still definitely worth it. The brush alone, you know, brushes are expensive, so yeah. And I will definitely post my Glam Bag Plus probably tomorrow or Monday, since tomorrow is Sunday. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next time.